be, you can start recording it.
Oh,
Standard just means it's standard because that's how most people do it. Algorithm. I don't know if I'm spelling rhythm right. Algorithm, but I hope it's right.
Rhythm.
But I like to refer to it for my parents and my brother who has a child that's in 5th grade math. Mama and daddy way. They gonna love it. Because they're gonna say, yay, this is how I learned it. Okay. But hopefully I'm about to teach them why this way works. That's my goal. And you guys. Alright, so let's look at this. We're gonna use the same exact problem. So I want to show y'all it all equals the same thing. 252 times
13.
And this is the way you're going to have to work it a whole lot. You will see on your test parts of this stuff because they want to make sure you're connecting it. But most of the way, we're going to use the mom and daddy way because we've built up to that as 5th graders. Okay. So same thing. Can you hold your question for just a second? Same way. You are going to focus on the bottom number and you're going to focus one digit at a time. You're always going to start in your lowest digit. Your lowest place value, which in this case is my ones place. And what do I have there?
3.
A 3.
1.
You are going to have to make sure you multiply every number on top by this number. So let's start with this.
6.
2 times 3 is
6.
5 times 3 is
6.
Watch what Miss Fraser does. I'm going to write my 5 down and I'm going to carry my 1 over the next number I'm going to multiply with. 2 times 3 is
6.
plus 1 is
7.
This is very important. Did I multiply all of these numbers by my 3?
No. Yes.
I did. So now I'm going to X out the 3 because I'm finished with it. I'm going to X out the number I carried because I'm finished with it. And every time I put an X right here, I'm going to put, that X tells me you are finished with the ones place. So right here, I'm going to put a 0 to hold that ones place to show I'm finished with it. But I'm not finished with the problem because I still have this 1, right?
Yes.
Same thing. You're going to have to multiply this 1 by every number above it. So, 2 times 1 is
2.
I've got to write my 2 in the digit I'm multiplying. Where's my 1 at? In the tens. So you write your first answer in the tens place. That's why you put that 0 there.
Oh.
1 times 2 is 2. What is 5 times 1? 5. What is 2 times 1?
2.
2. Okay. We have 2 partial products. Meaning we have 2 parts of our answer.
I know the answers.
When you add it up, we should get the same product. But I want to show y'all something. Hold on, I'm going to show y'all something really cool. 6, 7,
8,
12.
3.
So your final product is still, it doesn't change, the answer is still 3,276. This is the standard mom and daddy way. It does take less time. That's why mom and daddies love it. But wait, let me explain something. The problem with this way, if we go right to this way first, guess what boys and girls forget to do? They get mixed up on what they're supposed to do. But now you can check yourself. You can say, all right, let me check myself. I said 3 1s times 2 1s. I said 5 10s by 3 1s. I said 2 100s by 3 1s. Bam. Boom. Stop. I said 110 by 2 1s. I said 110 by 5 10s. I said 200s by 110. Bam.
Good job.
Also, and you can always check your work to make sure you got it right. It's showing you that you have to multiply every place value by each other. And it also gets you to understand that these numbers, that doesn't just represent 2, that represents 200. But if I just teach you this way, it's hard for you to understand that. But now you can go back and connect it to the other ways you've learned it. All right, stop.